Say yo to the ALLWAY. Helix mixer, your drill's new wingman for paint or glue madness. Its Helix head rips through a gallon can, turning goo into smooth gold in a flash here. With a 1/4-inch hex shaft, it locks into most drills tight and spins like a dream, folks. Built from gutsy polypropylene, it smashes epoxies or mud and scrubs clean fast too. No more chunky disasters, just pro-grade blends for any job, big or small now. Imagine flawless walls or crafts that slay. This tool's your secret weapon today. Your drill's roaring into action with mixing mojo that hooks you instantly here. This ride's just getting started, so hold on tight. Meet the Bolt Biter Impact Nut Extractor and Drivers by Crescent Tools, your bolt-crushing hero. It snares rusted or stripped nuts, yanking or driving them with zero fuss now. With a 1/4-inch hex shank, it vibes with most drills or impact drivers, slick here. Forget battling crusty fasteners. This double-duty beast zaps them out in a snap, folks. Mechanics and fixers. This is your escape from repair nightmares every day now. Your drill's flexing muscle after mixing, spinning into bolt-busting glory today. From gooey blends to gritty grip, your drill owns the spotlight here. We're rolling hot with this epic chain of brilliance. Check the Klein Tools adjustable hole saw with auto-set arms, hole-cutting rockstar. It blasts holes 2 to 7 inches wide in drywall or tiles like a champ now. Its pilot bit stays locked center, and a spring collar slices clean every spin here. A dust bowl with a vacuum port snags debris, keeping your turf spotless, folks, too. Ditch the saw and stash these adjustable king nail lights or speakers fast today now. Pros geek out over its swift true cuts with your drill, no mess ever here now. Your drill's carving a path from bolts to holes with total swagger today. This journey's stacking up wins left and right. Say hey to the Milescraft Drill 90+ right angle, drill attachment tight space Titan. With a 4-inch reach, it owns studs or joists in cramped chaos now, folks. Light and clipping to most drills, it's game on fast, with a dual grip for control here. This slick trick turns funky angles into easy scores for plumbers or DIY kings today. It stretches your drill's mojo where others flop, bringing pure genius every spin now. From slashing holes, your drill's bending into nooks with ninja vibes here too. Your drill's piling on the cool factor with every twist today. We're rocking this tool train hard. Here's the Bosch Hex 9 multi-construction drill bit, your drill's all-star MVP. It chews through tiles, plastic, and metal with no bit swaps needed. Its centering geometry ensures a perfect start, while the hex shank grips tight every time. This rugged beast saves hours on mixed gigs, big or small, with power to spare. Builders and pros love its one-tool-fits-all versatility, delivering smooth, precise drilling. Say goodbye to gear clutter and experience pure drilling domination. Your drill rules all surfaces, even in tight spots, with epic flair. Meet the WoodOwl Ultra Smooth Auger Bits, your drill's wood-whispering guru. Their 3-flute design carves clean, splinter-free holes in timber with ease. Teflon-coated for slick, fast drilling, these steel champs glide through wood effortlessly. Light yet fierce, they're a game-changer for furniture and joinery with a pro edge. Every spin delivers jaw-dropping precision, making woodworkers' dreams a reality. Whether crafting or building, your drill is nailing it with style. From all-purpose drilling to fine woodworking, your toolkit just leveled up. Say hello to the Dura-Gold 6-piece abrasive filament, nylon bristle drill wheel, and cup brush set. The ultimate surface smashing crew. With both wheels and cups, it scrubs rust and paint off smoothly every day. Designed with 1/4-inch shanks, these nylon brushes fit any drill safely. No sparks, no hassle. Gentler than wire brushes, they're perfect for metal and wood prep with ease. This set is a shop rockstar, delivering clean finishes fast and fierce with every spin. Your drill transforms from gritty to a sanding boss in no time. From drilling to scrubbing, your tool is stacking up skills like a pro. Here are the Kinchrome PTA countersink bits, your drill's screw-sinking sidekick. They drill and countersink in one shot, making decking and woodwork smooth and effortless. With an adjustable collar and sharp steel bits, They stay precise and true every time. No more wobbly screw heads. This tool locks in a polished finish for pros and hobbyists alike. A slick pick for crisp fastening, it handles builds and crafts with zero fuss. From sanding to sinking screws, your drill is riding high like a pro. Whether scrubbing or fastening, your drill's precision game is next level with this set. Check out the Sealy Drill Nibbler Attachment, SNA9821, your drill's shape-cutting rebel. It slices through metal and plastic with a double punch action, perfect for custom jobs and quick fixes. Easy to handle, it delivers smooth, precise cuts without bulky shears slowing you down. This attachment transforms your drill into a cutting powerhouse, making sharp, clean lines fast. A creative boost for makers and pros alike, it brings serious edge with zero mess. From sinking screws to slicing lines, your drill is ruling the craft game. Get ready to tear it up with this cutting beast. Meet the drill-powered paint shaker, your paint prep pal. Just clip in an aerosol can, and your drill shakes it to perfection in seconds. It's a game changer for smooth, even spray jobs. No arm cramps, no hassle. Artists and builders love its effortless blending for flawless coats every time. No wrist strain, just perfectly mixed paint, fast, with your drill spin. From cutting to shaking cans, your drill is leveling up with artistic flair. Whether snipping or spraying, your drill's a mix master, rocking every task. This setup is popping off big time. Here's the Deadeye carbide-tipped hole cutters and magnetic chip collector by Ideal Electrical, the ultimate metal-ripping duo. Its carbide tips slice crisp, clean holes, while the magnetic collector grabs chips effortlessly. With a pilot bit for precision, it ensures safe, mess-free cuts for electrical boxes and custom jobs. No more floor clutter. The collector keeps your workspace spotless. A pro pick for electricians and makers craving tight, fast results. From paint to metal, your drill is leveling up with ninja-like precision. Whether shaking or slicing, your drill is in beast mode. We're crushing it on this journey. Meet the Mothers 5146 Power Cone 360 Metal Polishing Tool, your shine-spinning ace. Its cone design buffs tight spots and curves to a flawless mirror gleam. Built for cordless drills, it's effortless to handle, delivering pro-level polishing every time. Car enthusiasts and metalworkers love its deep shine with zero strain. Say goodbye to dull finishes. This tool turns drab to fab fast with your drill's power. From metal cutting to high-gloss buffing, your drill is stepping up with serious swagger. Whether chopping or shining, your drill is now a polishing king. This rides sparkling bright with every spin. Meet the Cryogen Super Primaloy Drill Bits by Kimball Midwest, your drill's steel-slaying crew. Cryo-treated for extreme durability, they power through tough materials with ease. Featuring a split point, they dive in fast with no prep needed. Mechanics and pros love their grit for high-tensile jobs. These bits deliver swift, clean holes with your drill's unstoppable force. From chrome shine to deep bores, your drill is leveling up with a Titan edge. Whether buffing or boring, your drill is now a precision powerhouse. We're drilling down hard and going strong. Meet the Pack Tool, SS704 Snapper. Shear Siding Pro, your siding shredding ninja. It slices fiber cement clean with low dust, making every job smooth. Quiet and safe, it's perfect for indoor or outdoor work with zero mess. Pros and renovation experts love its sharp cuts for fast, flawless builds. This tool keeps lungs happy and projects tight with your drill's power. From drilling steel to shearing siding, your drill is leveling up with pro precision. Whether cutting or shaping, your drill's now a siding superstar. This setup is slicing through jobs with epic efficiency. Check out the LTI by Crino Magbit 6600-2445, set with magnetic holder, your screw-driving dynamo. Its magnetic bits lock screws tight for one-hand precision. Color-coded for quick selection, they handle any screw type with ease. The included holder keeps bits organized and ready to roll. A must-have for builders and DIY pros, this set speeds up every task. From shearing metal to driving screws, your drill is working with slick accuracy. Whether cutting or fastening, your drill's now a precision powerhouse. We're cranking up the torque and getting things locked in. Here's the Wolfcraft flexible shaft, your drill's bendy buddy. It snakes into tight spots and awkward angles with smooth, controlled movement. Anti-kink and high-speed spinning, it's the go-to fix for hard-to-reach areas. Pros and hobbyists love its reach where standard drills fail. This Flex King handles grinding, drilling, and more with effortless precision. From driving screws to tackling tricky bends, your drill is moving with ninja-like agility. Whether twisting or turning, your drill's now a flexible star. This tool bends the rules and powers through every challenge. Meet the tail trimmer. Drill attachment, your drill's farm-fresh rockstar. Its sharp blades trim cow tails fast, keeping herds clean and hygienic. Light and safe, it's a dairy essential for effortless grooming. Farmers big and small love its quick, efficient cuts, powered by any drill. This tool turns a messy task into a smooth, hassle-free job. From flexing to trimming, your drill is tackling farm chores with serious grit. Whether bending or cutting, your drill's now a barn boss. We're closing out this epic lineup with a powerful finish. Thank you for watching this video on the top tech tools. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.